Are you afraid nga mosulti ka nila sa imong sad story? Actually, it's okay. It's okay not to tell, but I'm pretty sure you're looking for someone nga pwede nimo maistoryahan for all your saddest moment in life. Pero mao na siya, dili lang ka mosulti kay lagi mahadlok ka. Of course, you can tell someone, you have friends, you have families. Actually, pwede jud ka maistorya sa ilaha, pero you choose to silent. You choose to have it on your own. Nga dili ka maka-burden. O sad kay mahadlok ka ma-judge nila. Mahadlok ka og unsay possibilities nga ma-react nila sa imuha because like you're kind of weak. So you just have to show them that you are good enough, you are okay even if it's not. Ang hirap lisod kayo na nga feeling. Pero mao na siya, you have to sa imong self nga no matter what, it's all about you. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng makadepend ka for other person nga naapir ni sa imuha because at the end ikaw ra jud ang nasa imong kagalingon. So much better nga imuhang i-work out imuhang self. You have to be stronger to stand on your own feet. Maybe right now your cravings for someone that you can lean on, but it's not the thing you are looking for. It's your courage, yourself. You have to believe in yourself that no matter what will happen, you are there for yourself. It's okay to cry, it's okay to be sad, it's okay to have mistakes because it's part of our life. It's part of the journey. If you want to cry, just cry. If you want to be sad, you want to be angry, just be angry. But don't let your angry be the reason for your kanang makasakit ka og tao. You have to learn from yourself on how you interact to others and how you understand sa ubang tao. You have to be also considerate, and sometimes we cannot control of what we say, and sometimes we cannot control of what others say. It's all about embracing and accepting the fact nga ingon ana ang mahitabo. Mao na siyang pinaka reason right now nga you have to be